Viral replication is the process by which viruses increases their progeny, their number. Okay, and this viral replication, for you can say, is easily understood by the one-step growth curve. Okay, the virus replication follows the one-step growth curve. So you can say, depicted in the y-axis we depicted the number of virus progeny, and in the x-axis we presented the time period. Okay, and we said that initially when the host got the viral exposure, then the viruses, if 10 virus will, you can say, came, if 10 virus is coming, then this 10 virus will capture the 10 cell. Okay, and this 10 captured cell viruses loses the capacity to infect the other cells. They are only limited initially with the 10 cells, which means the viruses loses their capacity to cause infect the other cell. Okay, the pathogenicity is temporarily disappear. Fine. Now, and this period is called as the eclipse period.